We begin tonight at the Supreme Court. Justices heard arguments today in a case that could allow President Trump to move forward with his executive order ending birthright citizenship. But the case doesn't question whether or not the order is constitutional. It challenges the judicial power that's blocking it. CBS legal contributor and Loyola Law School professor Jessica Levinson joins me now. Jessica, it's complicated enough, but now we got this birthright citizenship thing kind of muddying this. What is the core issue of this actual case before the court?
The core issue of this case is nationwide injunctions and whether or not federal judges can issue them. Meaning, if you go to court or I go to court or a group or a state goes to court and they think there's a problem with the executive order, what can you get? Can a federal judge say, you're right, this executive order is really problematic and it can't apply anywhere in the country while this case plays out? Or does that federal judge only have the power to say it can't apply as to the people I see before me, as to the people who filed this lawsuit? So it's really about how big can the relief that you potentially get when you're filing and saying there's a problem with this executive order be. It happens that we're talking about this, that the case that came up dealt with birthright citizenship.
So what are the options that the court could come up with to solve this nationwide injunction problem?
So we could have a decision that says nationwide injunctions, no, that federal judges simply don't have the power to issue them. We could, I don't think we will, on the other side, have a decision that says they're fine. Or what I think is maybe more likely, I will say I don't see tea leaves here. I see kind of mud here at this point, is some sort of middle ground, nationwide injunctions, but only in rare circumstances, or final option, there could be something else where the justices say, you know what, we actually need more briefing on that big birthright citizenship issue. And so we might get, in that way, a decision on the merits and nationwide injunctions.
Wait, so we have 15 seconds left. So they would just kind of add on a birthright citizenship case to one that already existed?
So yes and no. They would need to ask for supplemental briefing. They don't get just to say, you know what, it hasn't been briefed, we haven't asked, but we want to answer that question. They need to ask both parties for more briefing before they get to the substance.